EMA is developing advanced industrial and logistic solutions that include the BlueTracker family of vessel monitoring system products. We are entirely focused on international markets and sell our advanced BlueTracker solutions to fishing authorities that are working to prevent illegal fishing and support sustainable management of sea resources. One of the key services we provide is enabling customers to view position reports and other vessel data through our proprietary set of applications. Beforehand, we relied on cloud-based infrastructure from other service infrastructure provider, but it didn't offer us enough flexibility and it wasn't cost efficient. Microsoft Azure enabled us to reduce costs and improved our company's agility and ability to provide our services efficiently to our customers.
Another issue with our previous infrastructure provider was that we were unable to easily add or remove capacities as our needs changed. Our company now has access to a much more flexible infrastructure where it can dynamically add or remove capacities based on change requirements. Before the upgrade, we were using two development platforms, .NET and Java. We have unified our development environment on .NET Framework and are providing a flexible and powerful cloud computing platform.
EMA has chosen Innovis, Microsoft partner, to help with migration. It took us approximately 10 months to completely migrate to Microsoft Azure platform. Now it means that EMA has 50% lower costs than previous solution.
After 2 months, we estimate that the return of investment period will be reduced by 20% as a result of lower operational costs, simplified support and maintenance alone. Simplified service management is also an important benefit. Employees are now free from the tasks that are not company's core business and can now focus on activities that generate added customer value. We have also reduced our reliance on third-party server management because the servers are hosted in the cloud and administered by Microsoft. In the future, we plan to continue developing proprietary solutions and adding advanced Internet of Things functionalities and big data analytics. By migrating to Azure and unifying our solution on .NET, we are now free to develop new innovative solutions.
If we want to provide our customers across the globe with a reliable and flexible solution, we need a reliable and flexible infrastructure. Microsoft Azure provides us with the ability to focus on developing the best and most effective BlueTracker solutions.